Okay, boys and girls, here we go. Unfortunately, I had to use a new bracket. The other one just, I don't think it's going to make it. So we have it here, so why not use it? Although I'm real fond of keeping things as OEM as I can, especially on some of the cars like this that aren't going to be pristine, you know, oh God, I am so tired today. Pristine show winners that are just going to be regular daily driver cars, which is one of my absolute favorite ways to have one. If you're going to buy it, why would you trailer queen it? Not my thing. If I'm going to own it, I'm going to drive it. Personal opinion, nothing more. Nothing against anybody that does, that's a trailer queen, that's fine. But I'm not. I want to drive mine. I want to enjoy them. I want to put some miles on them. I want to feel the experience of them. So I try to keep things as OEM as I can, or restore every part that I can. I mean, that's all original. These are the originals. Unfortunately, that's not. So, I'd love to say fade to black, it's done, but yeah, it doesn't work that way. So, I had to do a little bit of cleaning on the floor. I couldn't roll my cart anymore. Oh, I missed something. Whatever. Okay, here we go. So I got to pop that piece off because that's not supposed to be there anymore. And I don't know how well you guys can see up in there. Light died this morning. There we go. So we'll put the bracket on, get everything in place, button it down, and make it look all nice and pretty. And then it'll be onto the transmission pan and the seal. Bobby's got the 2 hook pieces, I call them hook pieces, I know I'm wrong, that hold the drive shaft in. I'll scrub that up nice and clean so that when we put the new U-joints and everything on, it'll be perfect. So maybe I'll rust that one and get that taken care of and get it painted. So who knows. But, okay everybody, we'll get this taken care of. I know it's a short video this morning, but it's been absolutely nightmare to get some of these parts off. That was an absolute nightmare. Just to try and get, I think I got one of the washers left that was bad. There we go. Let me see if I can get, there we go. That's still part of the bushing that was literally like somebody glued it to the washer and then glued it to the top of the stud. So it made an absolute nightmare to get it off. So thank God we kind of keep a lot of these washers in stock. And I've got 2 more because I still can't get that off. So it is what it is. Okay, thanks guys. I'll keep you informed. I'll try and do another video when this is done because I've got, let's see real quick. I don't know. I know Bobby didn't show 100% yesterday. So we've got that bushing there. So I'll get that taken care of because that's the bushing in the mount. And I think if you look real close, yeah, that bushing is extremely degraded. So, but we'll get it undone, get the new one in, which is here in this pile with tools. Yeah, I'm a little disorganized this morning, I know. Sorry, guys. And then I'll do the top one. Well, lower it and then do the top one. Get that done. Then raise it back up again and do the mount. Or something within that frame of mind. I don't know. But we'll get it. All right, guys. Love y'all.